Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and set up Samsung Pay on your Samsung Galaxy Watch, step by step, so you can make payments straight from your wrist. Start by waking up your watch and swiping up from the watch face to open the app drawer. Look for Samsung Pay and tap on it. To fully open the app, press and hold the back button. Once Samsung Pay is open, you'll see a carousel of slides explaining how the app works on your watch. Swipe through them and then tap the arrow under Start Using Samsung Pay. Tap OK to continue. Now switch to your phone. Make sure you're signed in to your Samsung account. Tap Add Card, then select Add Credit or Debit Card. You can either scan your card or choose Enter Card manually. Type in your card information, tap Next, and review the terms of service. Tap Agree to All. Your bank may require verification, which is usually in the form of a code sent via SMS, email, or through your banking app. Enter the verification code, tap Next, and then tap Done when everything is confirmed. Back on your watch, you can now press and hold the back button from the watch face to open Samsung Pay whenever you need it. Hold your watch near an NFC reader at stores, gas stations, or any place that accepts contactless payments, and you're good to go. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Samsung tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.